Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing a DIY recipe that I use to actually lighten up my dark underarm. If you are battling with dark underarm pits, guys, you need to actually try this recipe. By just using these recipes from your kitchen, in no time your armpit is going to be lightened, and this can happen in a space of just 3 minutes of application. So guys, do not go anywhere. Make sure that you stay till the end of this video so you do not miss out on any part. Like now, turn on the notification bell now, and subscribe. Welcome back, besties. It's your girl Choma Innocent here, your queen of DIY. So our first ingredient for this recipe is tomatoes. Tomatoes actually helps to prevent acne. It helps to reduce oiliness, and it's also very good for lightening up the skin. It helps to relieve skin irritation, skin inflammation. Tomato is one very good kitchen ingredient that should not be missing, okay, for your skincare. Our next product is lemon. Lemon helps to boost collagen. It helps to reduce dark spots. If you're battling with dark spots, please make sure that you incorporate lemon once in a while. It's good for brightening. It helps to fight fungal bacteria, and it helps to reduce excess oil. So when you use this lemon under there, it is going to help to prevent excessive sweating, because a lot of people battle with this thing a lot, especially on their armpits, when shaving. I battle with it too a lot, but lemon is actually going to help to reduce excessive sweating and excess oil, and it's also going to help to fight bacteria, okay? And it is a very good lightening properties. The next is turmeric. So if we don't add turmeric to this recipe, our recipe is going to be incomplete. Turmeric it helps in healing. It's also an antioxidant. It helps to calm inflammation. It helps to reduce, and prevent psoriasis. It is a very quick, natural lightening ingredient. If you want to lighten it like in 3 minutes, please make sure that you are incorporating turmeric in your skincare. And finally, our next ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera helps to soothe the skin, reduce skin irritation, and promote wound healing, and improve overall skin health. Aloe vera is very, very important. Like, it would be so unfair if you do not add aloe vera to your mixture. If you don't have aloe vera, you could go in with honey, but aloe vera is going to help to soothe everything, okay? Aloe vera should be included in it. So this is the aloe vera that I'm going to be using, okay? So very, very quickly, I'm going to be showing you how we can actually mix this ingredient together to actually get our paste that we are going to use to lighten up our dark underarm. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to extract tomato juice from our tomatoes, because I don't want to use it like that, because I would want to use it later on. So I'm going to be using my manual hand blender, okay guys, to actually extract the tomato juice from my tomatoes. So I'm going to be using one seed tomato for this mixture, because I don't want it to be too much, okay? As you can see right now, our tomatoes is ready, but I'm going to still sieve out some little particles of the tomato so we can get our plain tomato juice, okay? So after extracting our tomatoes and we've gotten the juice, this is the quantity we are going to be using. So I'm going to be adding my lemon into the mixture. I'm going to be using a sieve so that the lemon seeds would not enter into our paste. Our next ingredient is turmeric. So I'm going to be using just 1 spoon of my turmeric to add to my tomato mixture, okay? And I'm going to stir it accordingly so that it can be infused inside of it, followed by my aloe vera gel. So just in case you don't have aloe vera gel, honey is a very very good substitute, is a good option. Honey is going to give you that slimy and thick taste. Okay, so you can see how my paste look like. All right, so it's time for application. You can see that I'm getting ready for application. So before you want to apply it on your armpit, you want to make sure that your armpit is completely shaved and clean. There is no single hair in your underarm. It is so clean and it is properly shaved. So you can go by using your makeup brush or a brush to apply it, but I'm unable to find mine, so I'm going to be using this my plastic spoon to apply it right there. Okay, definitely I'm not going to use this plastic spoon again. All right, so you notice that I was keeping my face somehow. Yes, it was actually giving me a stinkly feeling, and that is because of the turmeric that I added into the mixture and lemon. These are very, very two powerful antioxidants, and sometimes, they they tend to fight each other. But thank God for tomatoes and aloe vera that I used together with it, so it actually helps to cool it down a little bit. So you notice at some point I had to use my hands to spread it around the side. I'm only going to be applying it on one side of my armpit so that we can carry out a patch test and see how very, very quickly it actually does it. I'm going to be leaving this for 3 minutes, or 2 to 3 minutes, yes. And wow, guys, as you can see, can you just see that instant lighting it has done to my underarm? The instant lighting is so obvious. This recipe really works. I'm gonna say this again, it really works. So after doing that, I'm just gonna go in again and apply my aloe vera gel to cool any burning sensation, because I'm not gonna lie, I did have a burning sensation. So to cool any burning sensation, and guys, trust me, this is the fifth day of after I've done this. Like I did, like this is the fifth day right now, and there is no single boil, there is no redness, no rashes. It's just completely clear and clean. This is at the time of me making this voice over for you guys. This thing really works. So trust me, you would want to actually try out this remedy. It really works. You want to try out this remedy, and I would say you would want to carry this thing out like 3 times in a week. So if you're battling with dark underarm and you try this recipe 3 times in a week consistently, like for 4 weeks, trust me, in no time your dark underarm is going to be lightened up. Okay, so guys, I'm pretty sure you actually enjoyed this video. I'm sure you found this video really helpful. Please remember to give this video a like, subscribe, and share your thoughts for me in the comment section. Have you actually tried this before? What do you think about the video? Please come down to share your comments. And also don't forget to check out our previous videos. I've done great and amazing videos for us. Okay, so that will be all for today's video. I am pretty sure you found this video really helpful. Okay, your girl has just been through a lot. That is why I've not posted in a while, but the Lord is our strength. Okay, thank you once again for stopping by, and then I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.